What's up, guys? Today we're exploring Venturekit AI, a game-changing platform that promises to revolutionize how you approach business planning. Whether you're launching a startup or scaling your business, this AI-powered tool claims to do the heavy lifting for you. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know, including its strengths and weaknesses. Let's jump right in. Venturekit AI is designed to help entrepreneurs and business owners generate professional business plans with minimal effort. By leveraging artificial intelligence, the platform automates the planning process, producing detailed documents that include executive summaries, market research, and financial forecasts. The website highlights its speed and convenience as major selling points, ideal for those who need a plan fast without getting bogged down in details. The AI asks targeted questions about your business model, target audience, and goals, then compiles the data into a coherent plan. One of the biggest advantages is how it democratizes business planning, making it accessible to beginners while still being useful for seasoned professionals. On the flip side, the AI's suggestions may sometimes feel generic, lacking the nuanced understanding a human consultant would provide. Another potential con is the pricing structure. While the website offers free trials or basic features, full access likely comes at a cost, which isn't clearly stated up front. The lack of third-party integrations is another limitation, as it may not sync with tools like CRM or accounting software. Despite these drawbacks, Venturekit AI is a valuable resource for anyone needing a quick, structured business plan without the hassle of starting from scratch. Venturekit offers 3 pricing tiers to cater to different business planning needs. The free plan is ideal for beginners, unlimited light partners plans, and up to 3 full business plans per month, along with essential features like lender-ready statements, financial forecasts, pitch decks, market research, an assistant, radar, and guides, all at no cost. The Pro plan, priced at $8 per month, billed annually, includes the same features as the free plan, but is tailored for more frequent use, making it a great option for growing businesses. For those looking to establish a legal business entity, Unlimited Light but He Formation Plan at $169 per year plus state fees covers LLC formation with a 100% accuracy guarantee, 1-day processing subject to complete information, compliance tools, an operating agreement, EIN assistance, and optional registered agent services. Each tier is designed to support businesses at different stages, from initial planning to formal legal setup. So is Venturekit AI the ultimate business planning tool. It's a fantastic option for speed and simplicity, but it's not without its flaws. If you've used it before, share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.